Hi friends, welcome to Rirawa's kitchen. Today I'm going to share few delicious tricolor food recipes that you can set on your table and enjoy with your family on 15th August. So let us start with our recipes. Tricolor idli. So for that we need the idli batter. I have divided the idli batter in three parts. For saffron I have made a paste of tomato and a small green chili paste I have made for giving a saffron color to the idli. So this is my idli batter and I'm going to add this paste to this idli batter and mix it well. So give it a nice mix. So this is the color you will get. Keep it aside. Now the white color we are going to use the normal batter and make the white idli. For the green color I have made a paste of coriander. I have taken few coriander leaves and a small piece of green chili and made a fine paste of this. So this I am going to add to this batter. Give a nice mix. No, all our three batters are ready. I've got this mini idli stand, so I make idlis on this stand. But if you have the regular idli stand, you can make it in that also. A few drops of oil. Let's grease it first, and then we'll pour the batter. Now we'll place this in the cooker or the vessel, idli vessel, what you have. I have kept the idli stand inside the steamer and we will let it steam for about 8 to 10 minutes on high flame. The idlis are done, so I'll switch off the flame, open this, remove the idli. Now we'll leave it to cool down and then we'll remove the idlis from the mold. Our yummy tricolor idli is ready. Now the second dish what we are going to make is mini uttapam. These are the batters what we had used for the mini idlis. Tomato batter, coriander batter, and this is a plain batter. Add some mustard seed garnish to it. Now keep ready some finely chopped capsicum and fine grated orange carrot. Now let's make three different types of uttapam. Here I have got this uttapam tawa where I make my mini uttapams. If you don't have this tawa, no issues. You can make in the regular tawa. Now the first one what I am going to make is carrot uttapam. For that I am using this tomato base what we have used for the idli. So I'm using this as my base and then I'm going to add the carrots to it. So before I start, I'll grease my tawa little. Add a spoonful of this batter. To this I'm going to add the grated carrot. Now the second one, the same tawa I'm going to make is this capsicum uttapam. Here also I've taken the same base that I have used for mini idlis. The base is in the idli batter I have added coriander and green chili paste. Now to this I am going to add this finely chopped capsicum. The third one is this plain uttapam. This is a plain idli batter. I have just garnished it with mustard seed. I'll add little oil to each one. Let's flip this. Let this cook on both the sides well and then we are going to remove it and serve with different chutney and molaga puri. Now I have turned it on both the sides. They are well cooked as you can see. The capsicums are all cooked, carrots are all cooked and this plain one is also well done. So now we'll remove everything on a plate. So my tri-colored mini uttapam is ready. Now we can serve this with sambar, chutney, molaga puri, Two of my dishes are now ready. Our next dish is tricolor salad. To make the salad, we need thin strips of carrot. Then I have taken raw papaya. This also I have cut it thin strips. I have taken less of raw papaya and more of carrot. And for the green color, I have taken cucumber. This also I have cut it. Now let's first make the dressing. For the dressing, we need some honey, soy sauce, white vinegar, chili flakes, pepper powder and salt. You can adjust the quantities as per your taste. We'll take this white vinegar, little of soy sauce, little honey, some black pepper powder, little chili flakes and some salt. Give a nice mix and keep it aside. Now take this bowl of carrot, add some of this dressing what you have made, prepared and kept. Give a nice mix to it. The same way we'll do for the other two also. Raw papaya. Give a nice mix. And keep it aside. Now we'll take a plate. Now our beautiful Tiranga salad is ready. Our last recipe is Tiranga fruit salad. Let us make fruit salad. For that we are going to use pear, chopped banana, few pistachio, some dry fruits of your choice and mango puree. You can serve this chilled. So first we'll add pear. On top you can add some pista. Now we'll add bananas. We'll add some mango puree or you can even add cut mango pieces. And on top you can add some cashews and almonds and few raisins. A very simple yet tasty fruit salad is ready.